SuperEX amazing program. This particular platform, SuperEX, is a trading platform that gives its community access to earn time to time. Hi guys, welcome to this video on this channel. In this video, guys, I will guide you on how to earn money from SuperEX just by following simple instruction and by buying some BTC on this platform. You can see here, guys, SuperEX is celebrating BTC surpassing $80,000 trade. So you are very lucky to enjoy this particular platform from SuperEX. What do you need to enjoy this benefit, guys? It's very simple. The first thing you have to do is to create an account with SuperEX, which is very simple. So if you have not created your account, guys, I will drop a link in the video description. Tap on that link, create your account. Once you've created your account, guys, verify your account. Verification on SuperEX is very simple. Tap on it and verify your account. Now that you have verified your account, the next thing is to come to this platform and tap on the banner as I've just shown in the beginning of this video. Once tap on the banner, it comes up like this. Now, what do you need to do? First thing, you have to tap on this register button so that you register for this process on your app, on your account. Now, what is the process, or what are the things that you have to do, guys, to celebrate BTC surpassing 80,000 UXDT or $80,000? SuperEX is launching a altcoin trading event. During this event or period, user can deposit or trade to share the price of 15,000 UXDT. So if you know how to trade, guys, you are very good to go. And if you can just deposit your token on this platform, guys, you are very good to go. And the process or the event taking place between 11th to 21st of November this year. So you have 10 good days, guys, to take part in this event. So what are the events? First, deposit to earn cash reward. You need to deposit and earn cash withdrawal. During this event, user with a net deposit amount greater than 500 UXDT. So if you deposit more than 500 USDT, will be ranked based on their deposit amount. The top 100 user each will receive 10 UXDT. That's a very good one. Not only that, user with a net deposit amount greater than 1000 UXDT will also be ranked by deposit amount, and the top 50 will get 20 UXDT. This is a very good one. Then the second event is that new user exclusive. New user exclusive, 25,000 prize pool. During the event, new user make their first BTC USDT spot or future trading with a transaction amount greater than 1,000 UXDT will receive 5 USDT. This reward is limited to the first 500 members or 500 user. The next one is trade BTC to win 10,000 prize pool. During the event, user who participate in BTC USDT spot trading or future trading and meet specific transaction volume threshold will share the prize pool based on their cumulative future trading volume. So guys, these are what you need to enjoy on this platform. We have them lot on this platform. So if you really want to take part and benefit on this process, the process is very simple. It's very simple. As we're going to guide you through the process on how to trade, as well, and how to invest your USDT on this platform. Guys, this video is for educational purpose, not a financial advice video. Now that I've created your account and you've set everything, the first thing you have to do is to tap on this asset button. Once you tap on the asset button, a page will come up here. Now wait for this page to load up. Go ahead and tap on this deposit button. Once you tap on deposit button, guys, it comes up here. Now tap USDT, or you search for USDT in the space provided. Now send your UXDT to this platform using any of the link in this particular part. You can see that you have BNB, Tron, Avalanche, ERC, Arbitrum, and Optimism. You can send your USD to this platform using any of this network. Now that you've done that, the next thing now is to invest, is to trade on this platform. The first thing here is that you have to deposit your USDT, which you've done that. So if you're able to deposit 500 USDT and above, guys, you're going to get benefit for that. The next one is to trade on this platform, just like any other trade. So we're going to go through the spot trading in a very short time before we dive into the future trading. So let's tap on market. Once tap on the market, it comes up like this. Then go ahead and tap on this main market. Once tap on the main market, then go ahead and tap on this trade button. Once tap on the trade button, it comes up like this. Now here is the future trading platform on SuperEX. All I have to do, guys, is to tap on this button and select the pair of token you want to invest on. Now once you've selected the pair of token you want to invest on, for example UXCT, and you're able to purchase a USDT worth $1,000 from BTC, guys, then you are good to go. Now in order to trade future trade on this platform, it's very simple as well. Tap on this market button. Once tap on the market button, it comes up like this. Go ahead and tap on this future button. Once tap on the future button, it comes up like this. Now tap on this trade button again. Once tap on the trade button, guys, it brings to this interface where you have access to the future interface. Now there are some things you need to do on this platform, or you need to understand, which I will quickly run through in this video so that I'll be able to understand better. The first thing is to tap on this place and select your trading pairs. You can trade any trading pair that suits you based on your analytics, based on your understanding. The next thing is to come back to this place and tap on this isolate button. Here, as usual, we have three major important points here. You have the cross, the isolated, and the split. So guys, I always encourage my user to make use of the isolated, because this helps you to preserve or save your money once you are liquidated out of the market. Now the next one is to tap on this 3S, which is known as leverages. What leverage does is that the higher leverage you trade, the bigger reward you earn, but the higher risk it becomes. So I will always encourage my followers or users to trade between 3 to 5 leverages. It's better to get what you want little by little and stay in the market for longer time than want to get it within few days and log out of the market. Now that I've done that, then you can tap on this button, guys, to have a little better understanding of the market based on what you see here, guys. So this chart will come up and give you the market in the last few time, 1 minute, 5 minutes. You can get it up to a day on this platform, just for you to have better understanding of what the market or what has happened to the market in a couple of days or hours. So now that I've done that, the next thing now is to come over to this place and tap on this button. Once tap on this button, guys, you have a lot of options here. We have the limit, and we have the limit, we have the market, we have spot limit and other. So for the sake of this video, guys, I'll quickly run through two of these. I will run through the limit and the market. So what is the limit? The limit is that you want to enter the market at your own convenient price. You want to buy any token at your own convenient price, or you want to sell any token at your own convenient price. Now, for example, I want to buy BTC USDT at my convenient price. You enter the price here, then the amount of USDT you want you to invest, guys, you enter it here. Then you go ahead and tap on this. Once the price is set to what you've set here, guys, the system will initiate your order as soon as possible. Then on the other hand, the market, it means you're going to buy this token at the current price, which you see here. So that is the simple difference between this and the limit order. So the same thing goes for buy long or shorts, or open long or open short. So that is all the simple process, guys, to earn from this platform. So if you do enjoy what I've explained in this video, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, guys, kindly subscribe to this channel, tap the notification icon and select all, so that you're notified when we drop another important video on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.